Hey WordPress users, if you're using WordPress tables, then you already know the struggles with limited customizations, clunky layouts, and no real flexibility. So that is why in today's video we are going to have the first look on a TableKit WordPress plugin which aims to completely redefine how tables work in WordPress. So let's dive in. So first, let's find out what TableKit is. TableKit is designed as a Gutenberg native block-based table builder. So that means instead of relying on shortcuts or any other external builders, you are working directly inside the block editor with full visual control. So each part of the table, rows, columns, and cells behave like an editable block. This gives you granular control over both structure and design, while keeping everything intuitive and real-time. So who is TableKit mainly for? At this point, it's clear that TableKit isn't just for one type of user. It's built for bloggers managing large amounts of content, affiliate marketers creating comparison tables, WooCommerce store owners optimizing product displays, and agencies building client websites with structured data. So if your website relies on organized information, TableKit has a clear use case. Now let's see what does TableKit provide to its users. I want to start with data tables. At its foundation, TableKit provides a highly flexible data table system. You can create tables from scratch by defining the exact number of rows and columns, then modify them dynamically as your data evolves. But the real strength lies in the level of control. You can adjust column width, row heights, and alignment per cell or globally. Apply typography settings like font size, weight, and line height at a granular level. Customize borders, padding, background colors, and spacing for better visual hierarchy. And of course, style header rows separately to improve readability. So this means your tables are no longer just containers for data. They become fully designed user experience components that match your website's branding and improve user comprehension. Now let's talk about the product tables. TableKit's product table functionality is designed specifically for use cases like WooCommerce stores, affiliate websites, and SaaS comparisons. So instead of displaying products in standard grid layouts, you can organize them into comparison-focused tables where each row represents a feature and each column represents a product. So this type of table allows you to present pricing, features, ratings, and specifications side by side, highlight key differences clearly, and add visual emphasis to recommended or best valued options. And from a marketing perspective, this structure reduces design friction. Users can compare and make decisions faster, which directly contributes to higher conversion rates. Another advanced capability is post tables, which bring dynamic WordPress content into tabular format. Instead of manually adding content, TableKit can pull in posts and display them as structured rows. So this particularly is powerful for blog archives, resource directories, documentation listings, news, or update feeds. You can organize posts by fields like title, date, category, or other custom metadata and present them in a clean, structured layout. Compared to traditional list views, this approach improves content discoverability, scanning speed, and navigation efficiency. Especially for content-heavy websites, this can significantly enhance user experience. Another powerful functionality that TableKit offers is freezing rows and columns. So when tables become large, either vertically or horizontally, usability often suffers, And that is why TableKit addresses this with row and column freezing feature. This feature allows you to lock specific rows like headers or columns like product names, so they remain visible while the user scrolls. The benefit is immediate. Users always retain context while navigating data. Comparison becomes easier and more accurate. Large datasets feel more manageable and user-friendly. And this is especially important for pricing tables, comparison tables, and data-heavy use cases. Now let's check out the merging cells feature. TableKit also includes support for cell merging, both horizontally and vertically. This allows you to combine multiple cells into a single unified space. In practical terms, this enables grouping related data under shared headers, creating multi-level table structures, designing more complex and visually organized layouts. So instead of being locked into a rigid grid, you can build tables that reflect real-world data relationships and improve clarity. One of the more advanced features is conditional formatting. This allows you to apply styles automatically based on specific rules or values within the table. For example, highlight highest or lowest values, apply color coding for performance indicators, and emphasize important data points dynamically. This transfers tables from static displays into interactive, data-aware elements. So users don't need to analyze every number manually. The visual cues guide their attention instantly. And finally, TableKit gives you deep control over column level and cell level styling. You can apply unique styles to specific columns, highlight featured columns in product comparisons, use contrasting colors to guide user focus, maintain consistent design across the entire table. And this level of customization ensures your tables are not only functional but also visually aligned with your overall site design and for better user experience strategy. TableKit brings together structure, flexibility, and intelligent design, and all inside the Gutenberg editor. It's not just about creating tables anymore, it's about turning tables into powerful content and conversion tools. So that's it. If this video was helpful for you, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments how would you use TableKit on your WordPress website.